Okay, we are on a boat tour in Koh Phi Phi. I do YouTube, just saying. That's our figure. It's a popular channel. This is the
and some in particular resemble that of a Dracos, which is what the Vikings used to use. So for a long time they believed the Vikings had somehow managed all the way around. What's up, people?
Time for snorkeling. Okay.
You're not going to have access to the boat for the next hour until 4:30. So,
Entrance to the Maya Bay. We are at well, it's a crowded place.
Everything related to playing in the water is prohibited. You can walk to the beach area. Do not play in the water.
And this is Maya Bay. Where the movie Be the Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio was shot.
go
Now heading back.